Hey guys, so I've seen this video floating around YouTube where people try leg airbrush makeup on the face. So I thought that I would give it a try. I have this water-resistant airbrush legs product from Sally Hansen and Fairest Glow, which I have actually used on my legs, and it makes the legs beautiful and glowy. It covers imperfections. So I wanted to see how this would work on the face, and this is the shade Fairest Glow. So we are going to try this on the face today, see if it looks like flawless airbrushed makeup or if it's a complete disaster. So if you're curious to see what kind of hot mess we can make with this, or if it ends up looking gorgeous, then just keep watching. So first off, I'm going to remove the makeup I have on and we will jump right in. Can you guys hear the birds outside? I have one window open and I feel like they are so loud all hours of the day. It is 8 o'clock at night right now and they're still chirping away. So I have a sponge, I have a couple of brush options. I'm going to try applying it to the face and blending it out with a brush. If that doesn't work, then I will try applying it to my Juno & Co. sponge and see if that works. So wish me luck. Let's see if there are any instructions on here. Shake well. Spray directly into hand and apply on legs and feet. Blend evenly and completely. Allow to set for 60 seconds before dressing. Removes easily with soap, water, and washcloth. It says get sexy, smooth legs in an instant. Water and transfer resistant. Formula won't rub off on clothes. Lightweight makeup stays fresh and natural looking all day. Instantly covers veins, freckles, and imperfections for flawless legs and feet. Bare legs are nice, but airbrush legs are irresistible. Alright, so let's try. First, let's see what this looks like. Okay, that looks like it might be a little dark for my face, but I have a little bit of a tan right now and also some sort of weird bug bite, so don't mind that. So we'll see what it looks like when it's on the face. Ooh, it has a hint of shine to it. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it on this side of my face and try to blend it out with a brush. Okay, I think I've smoothed it out as much as I can, so now we're going to let it set for 60 seconds. Be right back. Okay, so this side of the face has been airbrushed and blended out with a brush and set for 60 seconds. It doesn't feel tacky at all. I feel like it's an okay color for the rest of my body right now. I mean, I have a little bit of color. It's still a little bit dark, but with powder it'll probably tone things down. So it looks okay. Did it cover everything? Definitely not. It just kind of evened things out. You can still see my birthmarks, my scars, my under eye bags. So it didn't fully conceal. So I'm going to try applying it to a sponge and then dotting it onto my face on this side and see what the coverage is like. Okay, I feel like it covered a lot better with the sponge application than with the brush. I feel like the brush kind of dragged it away a bit. So this is what it looks like with the sponge application. This is what it looks like with the brush application. I feel like I got better coverage and faster coverage on this side and also neater coverage. It didn't get in my hairline from spraying it. This is definitely the way to go. I'm just going to even up the face. Okay, so far my face looks nice and tan and kind of like luminous. So I'm going to go ahead and add concealer, powder, bronzer, blush, all the stuff I would normally apply on top of it, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. But here's what it's looking like right now. Nice and smooth. My pores are kind of filled in, imperfections are covered. So let me finish off the rest of the face and I'll be back to show you what it looks like with everything on top. Is it just me or does my face makeup look really nice right now? I look tan and glowy. I used 2 concealers under the eyes and around the face. I applied the Creme Shop translucent powder all over the face. I applied the Collab Beauty Palette Pro bronzer, blush, and highlight and banana powder on the face. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look heavy. I mean, if this is a long-lasting base, we might be onto something here. It is too dark for my skin tone naturally, but if I had a tan or if you had a deeper skin tone, this would probably work really well for you. Let me zoom in so you can see what it looks like. Things are smooth, they are set, nothing's creasing. I think it looks really nice. So guys, I think this works. I'll be curious to see how long it lasts. I can't wear it for very long tonight because it's about 8 o'clock at night, so I might get 3 to 4 hours of wear before I'm ready to call it quits for the night. But as of right now, I think it looks beautiful, and I feel like this is something that would last a really long time since it's not meant to come off in the pool, in the water. It's not meant to be sweat off. It's supposed to stay and be resistant to water and the elements. So I think that we might be onto something here. Let me know if you would try this on your face. I will let you guys know if this causes any breakouts or any issues tomorrow, or when I'm editing this video, I'll add a little note here. Have you tried this on your body, on your legs? What are your thoughts? Would you try this on your face? I know they do come in different shades, so they have deeper shades as well for deeper skin tones. But let me know what you think. Am I crazy? Does this look good? Does it look horrible? I think it looks really nice. So that is it for my trying Airbrush Legs as a airbrush foundation. If you did enjoy this fun little video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!